Welcome to the Love Hub channel, where we give love and relationship advice for women. In this video, we're going to share with you 8 secrets that get him to commit to you. For topic requests and shoutout requests, please like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's start the video. Secret number 1. Rock his world to make him commit. A guy will commit to you if you are rocking his world. If the only reason why you think he should commit to you is because you love him and you believe he should feel the same way, you are setting yourself up for disappointment. The guy needs to be sexually attracted to you. In order for the guy to show commitment, he will need to enjoy having you around and feel very good when you are around him. There is no way that you will commit to someone who hasn't rocked your world enough. If you are already planning to commit to someone who is not doing the same for you, then you will have a hard time in the relationship. For most men, love is not enough. They need attraction. They need intimacy. They need connection. In the same way that you also have needs, make sure that you are conscious and providing him his. Secret number 1, rock his world to make him commit. Secret number 2, let him earn it. Men do not want the easy things in life. They want to see that the things that they work for are worth their time. The moment you manage to wow someone, he will always come back begging for more. Consider what it is that makes the man desire you. You need to offer the man something that is not common if you want him to commit to you and you alone. Having sex with a man is not enough to make him commit. Other than physical looks, consider what else you bring to the table to make the man commit. It can be as simple as the energy that you provide him or the support. You need to be able to see your own value, your own self-worth before a man can respect you and want to commit to you. Secret number 2, let him earn it. Let him prove himself to you. Don't make him feel like you will commit to him as soon as he asks. Make him feel like you're the one that will make the decision on whether or not you will be in a committed relationship with him. Make him work for it. Secret number 3, make things fun and light. In order for a man to fully commit to the relationship, you will need to make it look fun. No man wants to be in a relationship with a woman who is glum, dull, and full of negative emotions. This means that when the two of you go out together, make sure that you engage in something that's fun. It could be a friendly bowling match or watching movies together. When the man associates you with all kinds of fun and feels relaxed and light around you, he will not be afraid to commit to the relationship. Try to avoid making your man your emotional punching bag or the person that you go to for all of your problems. Especially when you are not yet in a committed relationship, you are still dating him, you'd want to make things fun and light. You want to enjoy your time with him so that he can also enjoy his time with you. Secret number 3, make things fun and light. Secret number 4, show less interest in him. When the phone rings, you immediately pick it up. When he asks you out, you cancel any plans you had with your friends. Whenever he asks to see you, you stop whatever you're doing to go to him right away. You might think that you are showing him love, but you will only be pushing him away. The truth is that you need to show less interest in him. Rather than being clingy and needy, you ought to start being a little more independent. This is to make sure that he knows that once you're in a relationship with him, you won't be clingy and dependent on him for everything, that you have your own life and that you are a complete person on your own. The moment you show a little less interest in him, he will start fighting harder to gain your attention and you will be looking for a way to take the relationship to the next level. Secret number 4, show him less interest. Secret number 5, be a friend to his friends. Guys will seek the approval of their friends before they can commit to a woman. Guys consider this to be quite important as they want to know whether the people who are closest to them approve of their relationship. The moment his friends start finding you rude and annoying, that's when he'll start backing off. So, avoid putting on a fake persona as they will see you right through you. The most important thing is to be friendly. Laugh and smile at the jokes that his friends make. Be sure that you're friends with his girl friends too, meaning the friends of his that are of the opposite sex. That way, they will know that you are already dating him, and at the same time, he will know that you are not threatened by them. Secret number 5, be a friend to his friends. Secret number 6, become part of his life to make him commit. Why don't you act as if you're already the woman in his life? Make sure that you play your cards well when doing this to avoid scaring away the guy. Rather than coming off too strong and being around him 24/7, you will need to integrate into his life slowly, but in a way that he finds life boring without you. A good way of doing that is by consistently texting or calling him every day. It will eventually get to the point when he'll always be on the lookout for your check-ins every day. He will miss you when you're not around. Secret number 6, become part of his life to make him commit. Make him feel like life without you is more dull, more boring, and more difficult, so it is much better to be in a relationship with you. Secret number 7, take time away from him to make him commit. When you are in love with someone, it's natural to want to spend a lot of time with them. However, spending a lot of time with someone will tend to backfire on you if your goal is to be in a relationship with him. In case you want the guy to commit to you, you will need to make yourself scarce. Put a stop immediately to everything that you are doing together and stay away from him. This will make him miss you more. Your goal is to pull away from him in order to leave him craving for you. This will not only leave him thirsting for you, but it will also make him wonder if there's another guy in your life, making him want to commit to you. Secret number 7, take time away from him to make him commit. Secret number 8, be mysterious to make him commit. Give him benefits that will only be available once he commits to you. If you leave everything open for the guy, he will not feel the urge to be in a serious relationship with you. If you want to make the guy commit, you will need to intrigue him. A good way of doing this is by remaining mysterious. Avoid telling him everything about yourself immediately. Learn how to hold back and only share information about yourself in pieces. If you want to put pressure on him to commit, never overshare anything. Do not ramble on about your childhood stories and avoid telling him what you are doing at every hour of every day. Secret number 8, be mysterious to make him commit. Thank you so much for watching our video. For more love tips and relationship advice for women, please like and subscribe to our channel. For topic requests and shoutout requests, please like our channel, subscribe to the Love Hub channel, and comment down below. We will make videos according to your requests as soon as we get them. Thank you so much and hope to see you soon in future The Love Hub videos.